Abhi,
Oh yeah.
how you doing, buddy?
Pretty good. I think this is my first jump, and I'm going to enjoy it.
First skydive?
Yeah, first skydiving.
Awesome. What's the occasion? A special occasion?
Nothing special. I came last year here, and there was rain check, so I thought, okay, I have to do
Okay.
it. And every
Okay.
time I planned, there was rain. Today also there was
today,
rain.
look at that. No rain today.
Perfect.
Beautiful
perfect.
day. Did you bring anybody today?
Yeah, my family is here. My
Alright.
brother-in-law and my wife. My
Are they
daughter.
jumping?
No, they are not jumping.
What?
They're just here to see me. They'll
Okay.
gain confidence and they'll come back.
Are they holding your purse? Oh, you don't have a purse. Hold on. Alright, but hey, the plane is coming in. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, sure. I am.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Have fun. See you up in the sky.
Railroad track. If you hit it too quick, it'll hit you right back. I love a fresh cut field with the first frost on. How it shines like gold when the sun turns on. I love the sound of them wheels. My baby singing along when the boys of summer comes on. I love my small town world. I love a country girl. I love a Friday night. Man, I love this life. Sound of an old dirt road rolling through my mind. Man, I love this life. I love that county line bar where they all know my drink. The way she throws her hands up when that cover band plays. I love the taste of her lips when she's been sipping that wine. I still get drunk on her every time. I love my small town world. I love a country girl. I love a Friday night. I'm reading through the Sunday paper and it's all bad news. I'm looking for a smile on the streets, but it's just no use. Sing with me now. Singing in the rain, up in the rain. Singing in the rain, up in the rain. I jump into my car, turn the key, but it just won't start. No, it just won't start. I got a text from my ex, it's official, she just broke my heart. She just broke my heart. Storm clouds are circling around, but I won't let that shit drag me down. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. I got a song in my heart and I'm bulletproof. There's nothing in the world that's gonna kill this mood. No matter what life wants to throw my way, I'll be singing in the rain. Singing in the rain, up in the rain, singing in the rain, up in the rain. I went to see a fortune teller and she said I'm doomed. But what the hell does she know? Why she tryna break my groove? Why she have to break my groove? All of life's colors turn to gray. Then you turn around and you smile my way. Suddenly all my problems disappear on cue. All because of you. Storm clouds are circling around, but I won't let that shit drag me down. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. I got a song in my heart and I'm bulletproof. There's nothing in the world that's gonna kill this mood. No matter what life wants to throw my way, I'll be singing in the rain. Singing in the rain, up in the rain. Singing in the rain, up in the rain. Even when things shake it, earthquake it.
I hope I'm moving up there, but it was
You
amazing.
look kind of goofy. So did you like it?
Pretty much. I mean, I think I'm going to do it very often. So,
I like to hear that, man.
Yeah.
Hey, well done, buddy. Good job.
well done, thank
Hey,
you.
Josh. Good job, guys.
Feeling good, feeling great. No matter what, they won't see me break. In the rain, singing this tune, cause life is what I appreciate.
Storm clouds are circling around, but I won't let that shit